Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we are discussing travel into Thailand in the aftermath of coronavirus or COVID-19 and the travel restrictions that we had previously seen here in Thailand. Now, I'm making this video in sort of a speculative capacity where we're still in the middle of a lockdown here in Thailand, and I'm making this to sort of provide some insight in what I think it's going to look like in the aftermath of this for traveling into Thailand. So a recent article from Bangkok Post, that's bangkokpost.com, article is titled "Ministry Floats Ideas on Exit Strategy." Quoting directly, first, the screening of inbound visitors must remain stringent, and facilities for a 14-day state quarantine must be ready at all times. Couple of things here, let's be clear. They say facilities for a 14-day state quarantine must be ready at all times. I don't think that necessarily should be presumed to mean everyone's going to be quarantined, but they need to have the facilities ready to go at a moment's notice if an outbreak flares up and they need to deal with quarantining folks as they're coming in. More importantly, to the point of, as a practical matter, what do I think traveling into Thailand is going to look like in sort of the immediate and sort of midterm aftermath of dealing with this? Again, they note screening of inbound visitors must remain stringent. I think it's possible that we could see visa applications requiring medical screenings in the future. I also think it may be required that folks have a certificate of some sort when coming into Thailand to be able to present that to the adjudicating immigration officer upon the entry of those folks into Thailand. Again, don't take that necessarily as a foregone conclusion, but I think that these are solid logical inferences to presume based on what we're seeing and based on what officials are talking about with respect to bringing Thailand back online in the aftermath of COVID-19. So, do I think that Thailand's going to open back up? Yeah, sure, I do. Do I think that they are going to have some new requirements associated with being able to travel into Thailand? Yes, I do. Do I think that those there will be more requirements for getting a Thai visa? Yes, I do. And I've also made videos on this channel with respect to, I do believe that we are going to see a more, I hesitate to use the term cumbersome, but definitely a more complex process associated with the practice of visa runs or border runs here in Thailand in the aftermath of COVID-19 for a host of different reasons. Most notably, third countries are probably going to have new protocols in place for those looking to come into their country, and Thailand is probably going to institute new protocols for returning to Thailand. So in the future, I think we're going to see a slightly different process for coming into Thailand, and I think that those slight alterations will also pertain to things like a visa run to a Thai embassy outside of Thailand to get a visa in return, or a border run wherein one hops across the border and hops back in order to maintain lawful status here in the kingdom.